Everyday English Duo. Learn real English through real conversations.
Welcome to our chat, where we dive into everyday English. Focusing on how we use phrasal verbs in real conversations. It's really fascinating how these combos, verb plus particle, change the meaning completely.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm excited, really, because phrasal verbs pop up everywhere, in movies, songs, and even our day-to-day chats. What makes them so essential?
Well, think about it. When you say wake up, you're not just talking about opening your eyes. It's like, the whole process. So you might wake up and then get up. And
Right,
that
yeah.
nuance is key.
True, and it's interesting how one phrase can split into two different actions. Like many learners confuse wake up with get up. I mean, don't you think this duality sometimes adds to its charm?
Absolutely. Though sometimes I feel it, could confuse beginners. But then again, it's all about context. For example, if you say, I woke up late today, it only means you opened your eyes later than usual.
Exactly. Moving on, what about get along? That one sounds so friendly. It's more than just a phrase. It's like an invitation to build relationships.
Yes, precisely. Get along literally means you have a good rapport with someone. So if you say, I really get along with my coworkers, it's, an easy way of expressing harmony.
Yeah, that's how you know things are running smoothly. And then we have clean up. Now this is super practical. After any messy event, wouldn't you say, let's clean up to restore order?
Totally agree. Whether it's cleaning up your room or even, say, tidying up after a party, this phrase covers it all. It's like, giving back the sparkle to everyday spaces.
Right, that bit of magic in a single phrase is so handy. Now what about call off? I love that one because it's so direct. It means to cancel something, right?
Exactly. If, for instance, a picnic gets rained out, you'd say, we had to call off the picnic. It's a straightforward way to let everyone know plans have changed.
Yeah, that clarity really helps in everyday life. Then there's hang out. I use that one a lot when I'm talking about spending relaxed time with friends. It seems so natural.
Oh, totally. Hang out just means to chill or spend time casually with someone. It's kind of like the fabric of friendly gatherings. Let's hang out this weekend just rolls off the tongue.
Nothing beats that casual vibe. Now, run out of is another essential one. It perfectly expresses that moment when you, realize you're missing something crucial.
Right on. Whether it's running out of milk or running out of time, it captures that shortage feeling so well. And yes, sometimes it's almost a daily struggle.
Oh, definitely. Time just slips away, doesn't it? Next up, look forward to. Now, I love this one because it makes everything sound so positive and expectant.
Exactly. It's a great phrase to express excitement. When you say, I'm looking forward to my vacation, it signals that you're eagerly anticipating something good. And remember, you gotta use the ing form after it, like looking forward to meeting new people.
Yeah, that little grammatical twist is important. I do sometimes find it odd that learners might say look forward to see instead, but it's all part of the learning curve, right?
Yeah, and that's where practice makes perfect. And honestly, it's these small details that help you sound natural in English.
Paying attention to those details really bridges the gap. Then we have try on. This one is so sort of literal. You're testing out clothes, right?
Absolutely. Try on means you put on an outfit to see if it fits. It's part of that quintessential shopping experience. Like, can I try this on? Before making a decision.
Right. It just makes shopping more interactive. Cool. And let's not forget figure out. That one is essential when you're solving problems like, I can't figure out this complex error in my code. Right?
Totally. Figure out means to understand or solve something. It's used in so many scenarios, from math problems to everyday issues. It's like working through a puzzle in real time.
Yeah, it's such a versatile phrase. Finally, there's give up. Now, I think this one is a bit, cautionary. It tells you to stop trying when things get tough, but maybe sometimes that's a bit too harsh.
I get what you're saying, but context matters here. Give up can be used in a motivational sense like, don't give up on your dreams, urging you not to lose hope. However, it also means to, quit an activity. It really depends on tone and context.
Yeah, I see your point. It's like a double-edged sword. So, to quickly run through them, we've got wake up, get along, clean up, call off, hang out, run out of, look forward to, try on, figure out, and give up. Did I miss anything?
Nope, you got them all. These 10 phrasal verbs are staples for everyday conversations. They really help bridge the gap between textbook English and how people actually speak.
Exactly. They are what make real-life English, feel so natural. What's really cool is that these phrases can apply in all contexts, be it at home, work, or even when traveling. It's like they're the building blocks of casual communication.
Yes, exactly. For instance, you might say, I woke up late, so I had to call off my morning meeting. Then later add, I'm really looking forward to hanging out with my friends tonight. See how seamlessly they fit into daily dialogue?
Yeah, that's pretty slick. I sometimes wonder, though, don't you think there's a risk of overusing them and, making language too informal? I mean, in professional settings, is that still okay?
That's a fair critique. In professional settings, you gotta be mindful. Context is key. But even in business, phrases like figure out are common. It really, depends on the company culture and the
Right,
audience
you
you're
have to
speaking
gauge the scenario. And another cool part is how teaching these phrasal verbs with real-life examples can boost learners' confidence. It's not just theory, it's practical usage.
Absolutely. When you start using them naturally, like, I ran out of ideas at work, so I took a break, it not only improves your fluency, but makes your English sound more, authentic.
Yeah, authenticity matters a lot in communication. Imagine explaining that to someone learning English, showing them that even everyday life is a rich canvas for language. Do you think these examples help demystify the confusion around particles like up and on?
Definitely, because these particles can completely change the meaning of the base verb. For example, pick up could mean to lift something, to collect someone, or even to learn a skill quickly. It's like a little twist that makes the language dynamic.
Yeah, it's all about the magic of context. I remember struggling with that nuance when I first started learning English. Hearing these everyday phrases makes it so much clearer. It's almost like unlocking a secret code.
Right? And that's why integrating these phrases into your routine is key. Whether you're, chatting with friends or reading a text, they make your interactions richer and more, human.
Absolutely right. So, any tips for listeners on how to incorporate these phrasal verbs into their daily vocabulary?
Oh, for sure. Try to create your own sentences during your day. Maybe write down a quick journal note, like, today I woke up early and got along with my colleagues, or I tried on a new outfit while hanging out at the mall. Little practices like these really, solidify the usage.
Yeah, that sounds like a solid plan. This chat really shows how practical and approachable these phrases are. Perfect for anyone looking to, bring a bit more life into their English conversations.
Exactly. Embrace these phrases, and soon enough you'll find that using them feels as natural as, well, just talking. Thanks for this engaging discussion. Until next time, keep practicing and never give up on your English journey.
Totally. Keep at it.